how to replace color in Photoshop. Now first of all, what I'll do is I'll basically select my subject here and I'm going here. Now I will select the hair and this part also. Now what I'll do is I'll basically right click and select inverse. So as you can see, this whole part is selected. Now I want to edit the color of this or replace the color of this background. What I'll do is I'll go to this selective color and select the colors according to my need. Let's say I want to make it bluish magenta here. Now I'll go to this whites. It's not affecting here. Neutrals, this will affect a lot. So as you can see that background has been, so as you can see this was before and this is after. So this is the easiest and quickest method to do this.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.